Today I'm going to share with you a technique that you can utilize for many different things. You can make a choker or a small wristlet or even a dog collar. So to begin this design, I used the aluminum wire and I squiggled it back and forth in my hand to create an interesting pattern. But moreover, you're creating a foundation that then everything else will be anchored to. So I created the length that would be appropriate to wrap around a dog's neck. Then I attached ribbon to each end. Before I did the ribbon, I wove through an additional piece of the aluminum wire to make sure that it was locked in place and super secure. I flipped it over and I began gluing down lamb's ear to the back side. I like to apply glue to many of the leaves at a time because it takes a little minute to get tacky, and that's the most efficient way, and then laid them over each other in a layered fashion. Then I flipped it over and began gluing the bottoms of each of the roses that I prepped in advance. And this variety of rose from Royal Flowers is called White Mikado. It has a sweet smell, but I just love the way that it opens in a very delicate way. So I've, again, applied glue to many of the buds at once and then began gluing them onto the surface of the collar. From there, I added in the sea holly, which again, I've just taken the bottom off of the stem and applied glue to many of them at a time, and then added them on, and the hypericum berries. Lastly, I added in a little bit of the lamb's ear florets to add a little more texture to the top side. Then you just simply tie it around and off he can go. The finished design is a secure and very stylish looking collar, whether it be for Fido or your little flower girl Emily, or perhaps for your grown-up teenager that's going to prom. So consider this fun technique that you can utilize in many different ways. Thanks for watching today, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.